Manishaben or Lalitaben of Chetna Nagar in Surat, Rekhaben of Madhav Nagar in Sanand, Shakuntlaben of Manchiwa Chaul in Sabarmati, Kamlaben Solanki of Satadhar Nagar, Prem Devi of Sauda Ghevra in Delhi, or Bundo from Jaipur. All these women staying in slums or hutments have one thing in common: lack of basic amenities and its ill effects on their whole life cycle. One can well imagine the plight of our women who endure a daily ordeal just to relieve themselves. The problem becomes more complex when viewed from the aspects of health, social status, and security. Solution to this serious issue has become the life mantra of the Mahila Housing Seva Trust MHT.
Our experience with Seva has shown us that these women who are in the informal sector, for them their house is their productive asset. It's a workshop and it's a go down. And having access to improved infrastructure like water, sanitation and electricity at their doorstep improves their productivity. It's not only an important measure for social security but also for income and increased productivity.
The trust volunteers visited many slums lacking basic amenities in Ahmedabad and Surat in Gujarat, Jaipur in Rajasthan, and Delhi areas. They created awareness about reading such problems and encouraged the women to avail the social welfare schemes of respective local self government bodies. They became a link between the people and the authorities.
Our approach has been that we use a combination of partnerships with government, between government and community-based organizations in the areas, in the slum areas, and we also help women access microfinance to get water and sanitation services at their doorstep. Primarily in Gujarat, we've now expanded our outreach to Ahmedabad, Surat, Baroda, to other states like Delhi, Rajasthan, Jodhpur, Jaipur, Bikaner, and reached more than 8 lakh people using this model of partnerships between the government, the community, and linking women with microfinance.
Poor women from working class need roofs over their heads for a stable life. The workplace is often a home for them. They need amenities like water, sewer, power, neat and clean pakka houses for maintaining their health. Lack of such basic amenities create many problems for them.
यहाँ कुछ सुविधाएं नहीं थी.
અમારે અહીંયા પાણી ગટર કંઈ નહીં હતું.
અમારા વિસ્તારમાં બહુ જ ગંદકી અને પાણીનો પ્રોબ્લેમ.
गटर पानी पत्थर हमको चाहिए.
The MHT was established in November 1994 with a noble goal to provide basic amenities to poor and working women in their own houses.
Starting with 1998, Mahila Housing Seva Trust is an organization which works for improving the housing infrastructure and overall living environment of the poor women in the informal sector.
The aims and objectives of the trust are: improve standard of living by imparting information about various housing schemes, training for repair and maintenance of the houses, financial, technical and legal assistance for improvement in their living conditions and environment, information and guidance for housing and ancillary services, make the poor women stakeholders in rural and urban development policies and programs for economic issues, including housing. The activities of the trust gained momentum and spread to many new areas in Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Delhi. The trust started working with Seva Bharat, tackling the Herculean task of providing basic amenities to working women from poor classes. Indian capital Delhi is preparing for the 2010 Commonwealth Games. Metro rail network is also expanding. This has necessitated shifting of some 13,000 slum dwellers from Gandhinagar, Shahdara and Palam areas.
वो झुग्गी टूट गया था।
सरकार ने पलट दिया।
मुख्तलिफ इलाकों से भेजा गया है।
हम लोग इंदिरा कैंप शाहदरा से आए हैं। वहाँ मेट्रो की लाइन बिछाई गई, इसलिए हमारी झुग्गियाँ तोड़ी हैं।
The affected families were allotted bare plots of 18 to 25 square yards. The responsibility of building houses and creation of amenities was given to the allottees.
हमें यहाँ 12 गज का प्लॉट मिला है बी ब्लॉक में।
Many oustees lost work and jobs as the new homestays were a great distance away. Commuting itself took 2 to 3 hours.
रोजगार यहाँ पे है नहीं, इसी लोग बहुत परेशान हैं।
जब बिजनेस नहीं चलता है, अब दूगो बच्चा सब भूखे रह जाता है।
How can one think of amenities like water, power or toilet when there is no source of income?
यहाँ आने के बाद में हमें बहुत ही समस्याओं से जूझना पड़ रहा है।
यहाँ कुछ भी नहीं था, जंगल ही था, खाली मैदान था बिल्कुल।
पहली समस्या तो हमें यहाँ पानी की है।
दिक्कतें पानी की थी और अब भी पानी की है। शौचालय लैट्रिन की इनकी दिक्कतें थी, वही अब भी है।
An organization like Cure has entrusted the MHT to create basic amenities for the displaced families. The trust is actively helping the displaced families for housing and basic amenities. The messages of importance of toilet, cleanliness and health are conveyed through traditional folk forms and street plays.
और शौचालय के पास रुक गए जीरे।
शिवर भी होगी साथ में और शौचालय भी, बस्ती बन जाएगी अपनी सुंदर सी। एमएचटी को देंगे हम साथ यार, हाँ बार बार हाँ बोलो यार, हाँ एमएचटी को देंगे हम साथ यार, हाँ।
The MHT organizes cooperatives and sanctions loans up to 15,000 rupees for basic amenities. Some 50 families of Savda Ghevra will benefit from these initiatives and get water and toilet facilities. Some 80,000 to 1 lakh people inhabit Sundar Nagari locality in Delhi. More than 60% houses are pakka structures but without toilet facilities. Public latrines do exist, but common for men and women, creating an embarrassing situation. A sewer line passes through, but individual connections are not there, resulting in stench and filth in the area.
हमारी घर की बेटियां बाहर नहीं जा सकती क्योंकि हमें अपने F2 की जो शौचालय कम्प्लेक्स है वहाँ जाना पड़ता था, बहुत दूर। इतनी परेशानियां हैं। हम लोग जा सकते हैं लेकिन हमारी जो बुजुर्ग महिलाएं हैं और जो हमारी लड़कियां हैं वो कैसे जा पाएंगी, वो दूर जा नहीं पाती। फिर हमारी गुफराना बहन और जो हमारी MHT की जो बहनें हैं उन्होंने जाकर के हमारा ये काम करवाया है।
The MHT launched its work in 2008 in its own pattern along with the Seva Bharat, which was already active here. A primary survey to assess needs, self-help groups of women so that poor women can build toilets within their own houses and avail facilities like water and sewer. Loans from 3 to 15,000 rupees. The MHT also trained local women in identifying schemes and procedures for toilet construction, contact with authorities, and many other necessary inputs. Such knowledge also brought self-confidence.
सभी बहनों के बीच में जाते हैं, सभी बहनों से बताते हैं और मिलजुल के हम काम करते हैं।
इस कार्य में हमें बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है।
The awareness about basic amenities has galvanized the residents into action. Soon, some 72% households of Sundar Nagari will have toilets, water connections, and sewer lines. Sundar Nagari will indeed be beautiful. Rajiv Nagar in Delhi has similar problems. The area was full of filth and spent water collections due to lack of sewer lines. This has affected the general health of the people in the area.
हमारे पहले शौचालय था लेकिन नीचे था, गटर का पानी हमें खुद निकालना पड़ता था और ये हमें MHT और उसमें हम जुड़े, इन्होंने हमें लोन दिया 15,000 का।
While the Delhi Jal Nigam has provided water connections to 20 to 25,000 houses, the MHT has arranged submersible pumps for them. The trust also enrolled local residents in cooperative mandals, prepared necessary documents, and advanced loans up to 15,000 rupees for toilet blocks, water and sewer connections. Once completed, this will improve living standards in Rajiv Nagar. Jaipur, the capital of desert state Rajasthan. The 50 lakh plus city attracts hordes of tourists from all over. Tourism is an important industry for the locals. The city has a fair network of basic amenities. But that is only one side of the coin. Hundreds of labor families in the city still make do without basic facilities. The only priority for the casual workers hailing from nearby areas is to secure 2 square meals by labor or home-based work. Low level of literacy prevents labor women from empowering them about welfare schemes. Aware of this, the MHT coordinated with the government of Rajasthan, State Jal Nigam and Electricity Board and Jaipur Municipal Corporation to provide basic facilities to working women from poor classes. Jaipur Councillor Snehlata Sharma is an enlightened public servant. She is the force behind the dialogue and collaboration between the MHT and other stakeholders. The combined efforts resulted in provision of water and sanitation in many areas. The Public Health Engineering Department has commenced laying of water pipelines in the slums in collaboration with the MHT. The residents are required to deposit 3,000 rupees for individual connections. Over 1,100 houses have been benefited. Storage tanks in the slums where water connections are not feasible. In some areas where pipes cannot be laid, water is provided through tankers. Sewer lines were provided to some needy slums by the Jaipur Nagar Nigam from the Parshad Development Funds. The beneficiary community also contributes. The MHT imparts training to the local mandals for upgradation of their areas. Sewer lines have been given to 200 houses, while 100 more have been provided with individual connections.
इस वार्ड में सीवर का काम कराया मिलकर के मेरे साथ में लग रहे हैं। सीवर का पानी की पाइप लाइनें वगैरह चालू हो गया है, उनका भी काम। इन्होंने एक मंडल बनाया है, उसमें बचत मंडल भी खोल रही हैं और उससे काफ़ी सहयोग मिला है मेरे को भी अपने वार्ड में। ये रेखा बहन ने काफ़ी सहयोग किया। इन्होंने बस्ती में आके महिलाओं को जागरूक किया और इनका काम अत्यंत सराहनीय है।
The MHT uses traditional folk forms to spread awareness and disseminate information about existing schemes.
मनोरंजन के साथ संदेश भी मिलेगा। नाटक हमारा देखने आओ, नाटक हमारा रे। सुनिए 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 बहन जी और बच्चे लोग सुनिए, आज हम आपके सामने पेश कर रहे हैं मनोरंजन और जानकारी से भरपूर एक नाटक। और कजरी चले घर से पानी भरने गंगा, और कजरी चले घर से और सीवर के पास जाके रुक गए जीरे, रुक गए जीरे।
Bhagwati Ben, a satisfied resident of Gandhinagar, has this to say.
हमारे पानी की बहुत समस्या थी, ये दीदी और से मिलके, पार्षद साहब से मिलके, और ये पानी की लेन समस्या हल हुई है हमारी।
The MHT also launched comprehensive activities in many areas. The women were encouraged to form self-help groups. The members of the local groups save 100 rupees every month. Now they earn a modest income from crafts like embroidery. They also save money, get registered for amenities like water, power, and sanitation through financial assistance. The members of the local mandal save 100 rupees monthly. After 8 months, the MHT evaluates them and undertakes scrutiny as well as procedures for loans. 33 families have been facilitated with loans of 10,000 rupees for toilet construction.
हमारे बाथरूम गटर बन जाएगा तो हमारे रात बिरात की परेशानी खत्म हो जाएगी और हमारा किस्तों में पैसा भी अदा हो जाएगा।
बाहर नहीं जाना पड़ता, बाहर जाते हैं ऐसे टॉयलेट करने के लिए। समोसे पैसे ले रहे हैं हम, फिर किसी तरह चुकाएंगे हम, 705 रुपये देंगे महीने के लिए।
The terms and conditions are set by the MHT depending on their need and repayment capacity. The Mahila Housing Seva Trust efforts will soon ensure a happy and healthy living for working women in many cities like Jaipur. The city of Surat, located on the main rail artery of Delhi, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, has become an industrial hub. Ample job opportunities here attract many people from different parts of the country. Most of them are engaged in labor work. However, the city does not have enough housing facilities for them. Such workers have to arrange makeshift huts or houses near their workplaces. Naturally, such temporary houses lack basic amenities like water, toilet, and sewer. Health problems are not far behind. Shri Surat Mahila Nagrik Dhiran Sahakari Mandali was formed with an objective to create basic amenities for working women from poor classes. More than 1,500 women took membership of their saving societies. While ensuring financial assistance for business purposes, the Mandali also created basic amenities for the members under the Urban Sanitation Project, the 500 rupees NOC scheme, and welfare projects of local self-government bodies. The life has taken a positive turn for many due to this.
महिला ट्रस्ट से हमको सुविधा मिली है टॉयलेट की। पहले बहुत प्रॉब्लम थी, अभी बाहर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है।
The Urban Sanitation Project and individual schemes of the Surat Municipal Corporation, Shiv Hiranagar, individual toilet connections 90, Chetna Nagar, individual sewer connections 150, individual water connections 150, individual toilet connections 150.
पहले टॉयलेट आया, फिर बाद में गटर लाइन आई, बत्ती का खामला आया, अब अच्छा है सब।
The basic amenities have resulted into saving of precious time. Their incomes have increased and they are spared from the embarrassing open defecation.
અહીંયા સંસ્થામાં જોડાયા મેં મહિલા હાઉસિંગ ટ્રસ્ટ, તો એના હિસાબે અમને સંડાસ આવી ગયું, સંડાસ ગટર એ પાસ થઈ ગયું. મહિલા મંડળમાં જોડાયા ત્યારથી બધું કામ થયું અમારું.
Now they feel safer, more confident, happier.
મકાન બનાવવાની 1 વર્ષથી વાત કરતા હતા, પણ મકાન કંઈ બનતું નહોતું. થોડી ઘણી સગવડ અમારી પાસે હતી. પછી અમને ધીરે ધીરે ખબર પડી, તારાબેને અમને વાત કરી કે ભાઈ આ મહિલા મંડળમાં તમે જોડાઓ. તો મેં પહેલાં વચ્ચે 5,000ની લોન લીધેલી, એ મેં ભરપાઈ કરી, પછી મને 50,000ની લોન આપી. એટલે અમે મકાન આવું બનાવ્યું સરસ.
Ahmedabad has progressed into a mega city. The spread and population of the city are ever expanding. Areas and villages on the periphery are also merging with it. While the newly constructed high-rise buildings are glittering many localities still languish. The MHT has taken up their cause through the 500 rupees no objection certificate scheme and the Nirmal Gujarat Shauchalay scheme.
મહિલા હાઉસિંગ ટ્રસ્ટથી અમને આટલી સગવડતા મળી. એટલી બધી તકલીફ પડતી હતી, સંડાસ જવાનું, સવારે 4 વાગે ઊભું થઈને સંડાસ જવાનું. હવે ઘર ઘરમાં નળ થઈ ગયા તો અમને બહુ શાંતિ મળી.
Some 35 families of Manchiba Chaul have availed the schemes. The MHT has already constructed 239 latrines under these schemes in Sanand Taluka of Ahmedabad. Many more are coming up. The problems of poor families needing basic amenities in their own houses has been addressed satisfactorily by the NGS scheme.
અમાર સંડાસ નહોતું બરાબર, અમે સાણંદ અહીં જતા હતા, ખેતરમાં સંડાસ જવા જતા, ત્યારે બધું વાવી દીધું હોય એટલે અમે જઈએ ત્યાં, અને અમારા ઘરવાળા અપંગ હતા, તે સાણંદ સંડાસ જવા જતા હતા. 8 રૂપિયા ભાડું ખર્ચીને 4 આવવાના ને 4 જવાના, 2 રૂપિયા સંડાસમાં અંદર લેતા હતા. એટલે અમારા સ્કીમ આવી એટલે અમે સંડાસ બનાવડાવ્યું અને અમારે શાંતિ થઈ એમ.
The facility has improved the lifestyle of its beneficiaries. Life was miserable for Satadhar Nagar residents in Ahmedabad as they did not have basic amenities for many years. The MHT discussed the issues with local corporator Pushpaben Mistry in detail. She took the matter up with the Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation vigorously. As a result, now basic amenities have been sanctioned for 255 families under the 500 rupees NOC scheme.
સત્તાધાર નગરની અંદર છેલ્લા 50 વર્ષથી કોઈ સુવિધા હતી નહીં અને ખૂબ જ ગરીબ કુટુંબના નાગરિકો ત્યાં રહે છે. અમદાવાદ મ્યુનિસિપલ કોર્પોરેશન તરફ 40 ચોરસ મીટરથી નાના બાંધકામ હોય તેને 500 રૂપિયા એનઓસી ભરી અને આ પાણી ડ્રેનેજ અને ગટર પાણી ડ્રેનેજ અને પથ્થર પેવિંગ એ કાયદેસરનું થઈ જાય અને સ્ટ્રીટ લાઇટ મળે, સુવિધાઓ મળે. ઘરે ઘરે ફરી એ લોકોએ 500 રૂપિયા એનઓસી ભરવા માટે એ લોકોને તૈયાર કર્યા. દરેક જણે 500 રૂપિયા ભર્યા. એના કારણે આજે 500 રૂપિયા ભરાયા પછી એક ઘરને પાણીનું કનેક્શન, ડ્રેનેજ કનેક્શન કાયદેસરનું, સ્ટ્રીટ લાઇટ અને પથ્થર પેવિંગ સુધીની સુવિધાઓ મળશે.
Thus, the Mahila Housing Seva Trust is committed to ensure a respectful life for the poorest of poor women in the urban development drive.